Hi, it's Leanne from Uplift Health Coaching. How are you? I thought I'd just show you a quick video. I was juicing anyway, so I thought I'd record it so you can see what I'm doing. So I've chosen celery, green apple, but you can use any apple, and carrot. Now I love watermelon in mine, so I'm putting watermelon in, but I think if you were going to do a bit more of a green angle, you would use a bit of spinach or kale, celery, apple, maybe even possibly kiwi fruit. So you don't, it's up to you what you put in. You don't want to have too many sugary fruits, but apple, it makes a really good base, yeah? So, yeah, that's all. I just wanted to show you and talk to you about the benefits of juicing. So, especially if it is a lot more green, or if you've got a lot more green, it makes a really healthy snack because you really, and you actually do feel full from the fibre, yep? So this is a cold press juicer, so it actually does allow the fibre to get through, not very little is left behind. There is some pulp, obviously you can probably see that in my juicer. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a lot more juice. It's like the same process as the same idea as olive oil. So the cold pressed is the best because it does a better job of separating the fruit, and you get less and you get less pulp, and so that means there's more nutrients in the juice. But anyway, I just thought I would show you that. Yeah, because I juice all the time. So another one of my favourites might have been a bit of spinach and a bit of pineapple. So, and not put the carrot, or carrot and orange, and pineapple is divine too. So there's a couple of ideas, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you, and you'll see that apart from it being quick and easy, once you've cut up your fruit, because that's the worst bit, right? That's the hardest bit, the longest bit. The rest is really simple. And my kids love this, so they'll have some of this for breakfast. And you'll see in a minute, I'll just show you the juice part of it. So the juice part of it, it's actually really, really clean. There's not a lot of pulp and mess in there, which again, my kids don't like a lot of other stuff in there. So I just made a mess there. Alright, so I hope that was helpful. And yeah, any questions about juicing or recipes? There's some recipes. Yeah, I've got heaps of recipes for juicing, so let me know. Okay, bye.